that Fox and Bro Bear are causing some kind of commotion down the street. Your visit to Splash Mountain will continue indefinitely.
I've never been evac'd off a ride ever.
I've been evac'd off of this ride from this exact position. Yep, they just turned on the work lights.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have your attention please. Splash Mountain is experiencing technical difficulties and is unable to communicate this time. Cast members will be on their way shortly to assist from your ride vehicles. Please remain seated at all times until the cast member arrives. There may be additional delays to maintain physical distancing between parties during the accident if punished and inconvenienced.
All right. Wow.
Is the ride closed?
It will be.
All right, folks. Let's say we're ready to take you guys from front to back. So on the count of three, that left bar is going to go up, so just give it a little bit of an extra boost. 1, 2, and 3. All right, folks, for our next 3 lives, we are coming back for you guys. We just got to support them out doing this social distancing. So as soon as we get them to safety, we are going to be right back for you guys.
Are you going to lead us?
Yes, I am. Once again, folks, just be careful. It is a little bit slippery on top of this metal.